Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are remotely connecting to a computer that has two or more physical monitors plugged into it, Chrome Remote Desktop defaults to squishing all the screens together into one tiny unreadable window. I have verified the latest application settings, and I will show you exactly how to split them up and switch between your displays right now. Let's get started. First, once you are actively connected to the host computer, you need to access the session's hidden settings menu. Move your mouse cursor all the way to the center right edge of your browser window and look for a small, semi-transparent blue arrow pointing to the left. Click on this arrow to slide open the main Chrome Remote Desktop control panel. Next, scroll down this side panel until you locate the section labeled Displays. Underneath this header, you'll see a drop-down menu that dictates exactly what is being broadcasted to you. Instead of Show All Displays, simply click on Display 1 or Display 2. This will immediately lock your view onto that specific monitor in full native resolution. Finally, clicking through that side menu every time you need to switch screens is incredibly tedious. While still in the panel, scroll down to the Input Controls section and click Configure Keyboard Shortcuts. Once you enable this, you can seamlessly cycle between your remote monitors simply by holding down your chosen modifier key, like the Alt or Option key, and pressing the right or left arrow keys on your keyboard. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.